Hello viewers, welcome to the channel. Today in this video we will do the MCQs of the age of industrialization class 10 history. For more such videos you can visit the playlist. Link will be shared in the description box. So let's start today's video. Our first question is, first jute mill was set up in, options are Bombay, Bengal, Gujarat or Madras? Answer is Bengal. First jute mill was set up in Bengal. Next question is, an association of skilled workers that maintained control over production, regulated competition and prices in the trade of specific products. Options are guilds or kostis or stapler or vagrants. Answer is guilds. The association of skilled workers that maintain control over production, regulated competition and prices in trade are called guilds. Next question is, spinning jenny was devised by, options are James Watt, Newcomen or James Hargreaves or Matthew Boulton. Answer is James Hargreaves. Spinning jenny was invented by James Hargreaves. Next question is, middle class with its perceived materialistic values or conventional attitudes. Options are bourgeoisies or kostis or vagrants or fuller. Answer is bourgeoisies. Middle class with its perceived materialistic values are known as bourgeoisies. Next question is, Gomasthas were appointed to supervise weavers, collect supplies and examine the quality of cloth because, options are company wanted to increase revenue or company tried to eliminate existing traders and brokers connected with cloth trade, or Gomasthas were British officers or to reduce cotton import and exports. Answer is company tried to eliminate existing traders and brokers connected with cloth trade. That is why company appointed Gomasthas. Next question is, invention of cotton gin speeded up the process of separating cotton seeds from its fibers by, options are 100 times or 200 times or 300 times or 400 times. Answer is 300 times. Invention of cotton gin speeded up the process of separating seed by 300 times. Next question is, flying shuttle was invented by, options are Samuel Crompton or Ellie Whitney or Richard Arkwright or John Key. Answer is John Key. John Key invented the flying shuttle. That is all for today. I hope you like the video. If you really like the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends and family members. And do subscribe the channel.